Let's start. Today we will see how to implement a staggered list view in Flutter Android. For this, we have to use a library. Open the pubspec.yaml file. And write this library dependency under the dev dependencies section. Let's see the main.dart file. First, we import these packages. Then, we create the stateless widget called myApp in the main function. This is the myApp stateless widget. We create a material app and apply a theme in the build function. The home attribute is set to a stateful widget called myHomePage. This is the myHomePage stateful widget. Here we create a state object of this stateful widget, whose name is _myHomePage state. This is _myHomePage state class. Here we will design our app. First, we have a list of strings as a data member. Here we have a list of ABCD alphabets. We will use this list to populate the list view. In the build function, we have a scaffold widget upon which we will build other widgets. The app bar attribute is set to the app bar widget. We have used the title variable as the title of this app bar. The body attribute is set to the masonry grid view.count widget. The cross-axis count attribute is set to 4, so we will have a total of 4 columns in the staggered grid. The item count attribute is set to the length of the ABCD list. In the item builder attribute, we design the staggered list view items. First of all, we have a card widget. The shape of the card is set to a rounded rectangle border shape. Inside the card, we have a sized box widget as the child. Inside the sized box widget, we have a center widget. And inside that, we have a text widget. The value of the text comes from the ABCD list. Let's run the app. So that's it. That's how you can create a staggered list view in Flutter Android. Thank you.